Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to an external wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just secure your assets better, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Coinbase app or website open. In 2025, Coinbase has rolled out even more user-friendly updates, so things might look a bit sleeker than before. Start by logging into your account with your email, password, and two-factor authentication for extra security. Always a must in the crypto world. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio section. Here, you'll see all your cryptocurrencies listed. Pick the one you want to send, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and click on it. Now, look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually right there on the main page for that asset. Next, you'll need to enter the details for your external wallet. This is crucial. Double-check the wallet address to avoid any costly mistakes. Paste it in carefully, and if your external wallet supports it, add a memo or tag if required, especially for coins like XRP or EOS. Then, specify the amount you want to send. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to minimize costs. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. Coinbase will often show a preview of the transaction. If all looks good, go ahead and authorize it. You'll might need to confirm via email or app notification for security. And just like that, your crypto is on its way. It could take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the blockchain. Pro tip: always keep track of your transactions and never share your private keys. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you in the next video.